Welcome to Get to Know the Speakers of Digital Confex. Today we have with us Karan Patel, AVP MENA region, Expand My Business. He will be joining as a speaker on the topic the role of AI in marketing during the Digital Marketing, Advertising and Technology Confex happening in Dubai on 17 to 18 October. Hi Karan, welcome to the chat show.
Yeah, hi, Avish. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good and it's been pleasure to have you on our chat show. So Karan,
Same here. Yeah.
please give us a brief introduction of yourself and your field of expertise for our audience.
So basically, thank you for having me on your chat show. As you already know, my name, Karan. And in fact, I do have a diverse experience in marketing and technology. Have been on the agency side. When I say agency, the advertising agency side, as well as on the client side. So yes, I am an ex BBDO publicist, account manager, been working there and been managing clients like HP and Emirates in the past. And a previous job before being the AVP of Expand Business, I was the head of marketing with Etisalat Digital for almost 7 years, managing their product and services side. Addition to that, I do have diverse experience working with clients across segments, working on their marketing strategy, working on their business objective, on a commercial objective. And yes, currently with Expand Business, which is a technology company, one of the best out of Asia. We are very much in Abu Dhabi. It's a part of the ADQ network, Abu Dhabi Holdings. Offices in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, as well as Riyadh. And yes, it's quite exciting to be here.
Yeah, it's fascinating about your journey, I think. So tell us your excitement for our event.
It's very, in fact, the best part is it's not the first time I'm joining as the speaker. I've been there in the past discussing about marketing fundamentals. And the best part about the event is that it's quite diverse, right? You do pick up topics across which are in trend, which are trending rather. Okay. And you have one of the best speakers coming on the stage and discussing it, explaining their ideas and experience to the audience. Even the audience are quite diverse, I would say, and it's quite exciting. And since you're having it for many years, I'm sure it is becoming one of the best go-to conference in this competitive part of the world. So that's my take on
Yeah, I think this time our one of our clients is also celebrating their anniversary. So we
it.
are
Okay.
hoping that it will be a great conference this time. So moving
Sure.
forward, I have a few questions for you today. My first question is how can AI-driven technologies enhance customer engagement and personalization in marketing strategies? And what are the challenges and ethical considerations related to marketeers be mindful in this process?
Perfect, Ayush. I think that's a great question that you've asked. So if you look at AI basically enhances customer engagement by analyzing vast database, right, to predict individual preferences. When you look at an implement of their personalized content or any targeted campaigns. Challenges include data privacy concerns, which is, I think, one of the major concerns in today's world. There is a need to be transparent, for AI to make decisions, to maintain ethical marketing practices. Even if you look at, there are a lot of AI-driven chatbot that is coming into this domain that offers real-time interaction. They do address customer queries and they do provide personalized recommendations. Okay, that is one part to look at. We're also looking at predictive analysis that enable targeted marketing campaigns based on individual preferences, also by increasing engagement and conversation rates. And again, the challenges is ensuring transparent data usage, respecting privacies, and addressing potential, bases in AI algorithm to maintain ethical and marketing practices.
Yeah, I think chat boxes are right now in everything. I think basically use any app, there will be chat box that is also very helpful, I think. So
That's
my
correct.
next question is, in what ways can AI contribute to optimizing marketing ROI through data analytics, predictive modeling, and automation? And how can businesses successfully integrate these AI tools?
Perfect. I think that's another great question from your side. I think AI contributes to marketing ROI by automating routine tasks. It also analyzes customer behavior pattern and also predicting their needs or trends. Successful integration involves aligning AI tools with businesses' objectives, ensuring accurate data inputs, and also ongoing monitoring the optimal performances. Okay. Um, Addition to that, I think AI powered analysis processes vast data assets to identify trends, ensuring data driven decisions are very effective when it actually comes to adapting to marketing strategies. Automation tools streamlines tasks like email marketing, social media posting, and customer segmentation, and also by improving efficiency and reducing cost. I think also to add here would be integration success relies on aligning AI tools and specific business goals, validating data accuracy, and continuously monitoring improvements in various marketing performances. Yeah.
So my next question is, as AI continues to evolve, what role does creativity play in marketing? And how can marketeers strike the right balance between leveraging AI for data-driven decision making and maintaining the human touch in crafting compelling and authentic brand narratives?
Good. So AI actually complements creativity in marketing by provide insights, automating repetitive tasks and optimizing campaigns. Striking the right balance requires marketeers to ensure AI as a tool that is used in augmented creativity, fostering human connection in storytelling while leveraging data-driven strategies for impactful business or brand initiative, let me call it. Okay. Also, AI generates a lot of insights, which kind of help marketeers to identify, emerging trends and consumer preferences across segments, across trends, and also provides valuable inputs to derive a creative strategy. I think automation handles repetitive tasks, allowing marketeers more time for strategic and creative thinking. Also, striking the right balance, involving AI as a supportive tool, maintaining the human touch as well as the storytelling element that ensures the brand narrative is there in the domain.
Yeah, so I have some rapid fire questions prepared also. So my first question is, tell us what song cheer you up when you work?
So basically, I do like if you ask me a particular artist, Ed Sheeran is my artist. So I do actually like to listen to his song called Shivers. It's there's no reason to it. I like the lyrics and it's quite peppy, so that's something that I like to go with. Yeah.
Yeah. So my next question is your favorite thing to do while working from home?
My favorite thing, I like if I'm at home, I do end up sipping a lot of coffee. So I end up doing at least 3 or 4 cup of coffee, black coffee without sugar a day. That actually, triggers my mindset a lot. So yes, coffee is something that gives me the energy to go throughout. Yeah.
Any favorite hobby of yours?
Yeah, I'm a sports person. So I play football as well as I coach. So I am a level 2 football coach with one of the academies here. So in the evenings, I do coach the small kids, which I really like doing.
So your favorite sports person?
My favorite sports person, basically being football, yes, it's Ronaldo and Messi, both of them. That's why I actually get a bit of inspiration in sports. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that they are both at the top of their games.
Yeah,
So
they are in two
thanks.
different leagues.
Yeah.
Yes.
So thanks, Karan. It was great connecting with you, and I am thrilled with your excitement to join our conference. Any word for our
Same here.
participants who will be joining in the conference?
I think it's going to be a great event. There's a lot of going to be engagement sessions, exciting in terms of the content that we are going to be presenting throughout. Looking forward to participant to join the digital conference and wish you all very best.
Yeah, great. Good to know. Thanks for your time today, Karan. And to all the participants, don't miss the session happening in Digital Marketing, Advertising and Technology Confex on 17 to 18 October, presented by Digital Confex in Dubai. Get a great chance to connect with him in person. See you soon, Karan.
Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.